The 2018 Kawasaki Versys 1000 is designed for versatility, featuring a 1043cc inline 4 engine that provides a smooth and powerful ride. Whether you're commuting, touring, or exploring winding roads, its balanced performance caters to a wide range of riding styles. This model comes equipped with a suite of advanced electronics, including Kawasaki Traction Control, or KTRC, multiple riding modes, and ABS. These technologies enhance safety, control, and adaptability, providing riders with confidence and peace of mind in various riding scenarios. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. The Versys 1000 features an advanced suspension system with a 43mm inverted front fork and a rear monoshock, both adjustable for preload and rebound damping. This setup delivers a smooth and stable ride, effectively absorbing bumps and providing precision handling on diverse terrains. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.